good friend Cornbread, that's his alias, his name's Mike, over at Hunting for Hookers YouTube channel. Does a lot of knife reviews, then some firearm reviews. Guy just, I don't know, started last year doing his channel and is doing exceptionally well. He'd contacted me and asked me if I would do a review of my Leatherman Kick, which I sort of did when I did the Temu review of the multi-tool that looked a lot like a Gerber. I brought out the Leatherman Kick too. I carry this thing with me all the time. I made a sheath for it. This was the one I found while out riding my four-wheeler. I found it up on the mountain, laying open, and had a little bit of rust on it. But I ended up making a sheath for it. That was my first sheath I ever made. And I carry this thing all the time. Of course, I've put a little paracord on it with some beads. A couple beads have broken off because it has this eye right here where you can flip it, and of course when it's in the case it hangs out, so when I need it I can just pull it out. But this is the Leatherman Kick. It has a ruler in inches and in centimeters on the opposite side. When you open it up, you got from 1 to about 8 inches, and in centimeters you got from 1 to about 19 centimeters. Now the jaws are not spring loaded. Just, I guess you'd say, friction. You can see how loose that is. But you have your needle nose, and you have your I guess you call that pliers or whatever, and then you have a cutter. And if you look, and I don't know if I can show it to you well enough, there is looks like a wire cutter, and there's a little arrow pointing there, and there's one right here pointing where you could, I guess, strip a wire. It does have a few tools in it. One, it has a Phillips head, and these do not lock back, but you can hear that snap. You probably use this end. I know that's the end you use to pull the Phillips head up, but you probably use that for a bottle opener. And it also has, if I can get to it, it also has a can opener. Real nice looking can opener, and it's got this little V-notch here. I don't know what that's for. If anybody knows, maybe you can tell me. It might. Of course, I don't know if you want to strike a ferro rod with this, but it does. But I don't think that's what that V-notch is for. But that's your can opener. And on this side, you have 2 screwdrivers. You have a big straight and a little straight. And then you have, and here you'll see some of the rust, you have the knife. Now the knife is the actual blade about 2 1/4 inches. It does have a little bit of rust on it, you can see right there. But now it does not, and this is what's nice about this, you can fold that up. But that knife blade does not lock. I mean, it is kind of locked. They call it a friction fit, I guess. So you have to be careful. That thing could come closed on you. All the tools do that, even the can opener. We get them out, you can close the handles back up. But I like it. I have no complaints with it. Yeah, I did not buy it. I found it. But I always wanted a Leatherman, and I got one. But of Cornbread, I hope this little video is what you was looking for. Like I said, this is the Leatherman Kick, and completely closed up. I mean, I can look at the scale here and tell you it's 3.5 inches. No, it's 4 inches long and about ½ inch wide, and 1.1 inches this way. That's the Leatherman Kick. Appreciate everybody watching. Please like, comment, and share. And it's all the same. See you in the woods. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.